In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to back up your iPhone over mobile data. So let's say, for instance, you're in a place that does not have Wi-Fi, or maybe you don't even want to use Wi-Fi because it might be too slow, and you want to back up your iPhone. You can do this over mobile data, but you have to allow your iPhone to back up over mobile data. Now, I'm using the iPhone 14, but you can use these instructions for any recent iPhone. So go to settings. On the main settings page, tap on your name at the top there to get into your iCloud account, and then tap on iCloud, and then go to device backups and tap on iCloud backup. Now here you should see the option to backup over mobile data. It might be turned off, and that's why that's why you're not able to back up over mobile data. What you need to do is turn that feature on. So now it says, when not connected to Wi-Fi, use your mobile network to automatically back up to iCloud. So now, even though you don't have Wi-Fi, or you might not be connected to Wi-Fi, your iPhone will use mobile data to back up. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.